Let's start the comparison between wildcats on the basis of body weight and bite force. The comparison is an ascending order of these two characteristics. The smallest wildcat of 3 to 6 kg is African wildcat, followed by fishing cat whose weight is 5 to 16 kg. Bobcat 6 to 16 kg, serval cat 8 to 18 kg, caracal weighs 8 to 19 kg, clouded leopard 11 to 23 kg, followed by big cats, cheetah 21 to 72 kg, snow leopard weight is 22 to 55 kg, common leopard 30 to 90 kg, jaguar 56 to 120 kg, lion 120 to 250 kg, and the tiger 90 to 300 kg. As far as the bite force in pounds per square inches are concerned, African wildcat has the bite force of 150 psi. Serval cat has bite force of 270 psi. Bobcat has the bite force of 300 psi. Caracal has the bite force of 310 psi. The common leopard has also the same bite force, that is 310 psi. Fishing cat has the bite force of 330 psi. Snow leopard has 400 psi. Even cheetah has 475 psi. The king of the jungle, the lion, has the bite force of 650 psi, followed by a small cat, that is clouded leopard, that has the bite force of 700 psi. The tiger has 1050 psi, and finally the highest bite force is the characteristics of jaguar, that is 1500 psi. Stay connected with Zoologist Mohsin for wildlife updates. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Take care. Bye bye.